today. Do you still have unfinished business at our national headquarters?
As anything.
Are you still interested in becoming a National Executive Committee member? And I say an elected member of the party?
Well, this question, the fact of the matter is that there are a lot of proposals from me. Uncle for Felice. If you ask me, Uncle General Secretary, there are a lot of people who feel say, maybe I'm doing it with the background.
Yeah.
If I'm providing that vision, guidance, and direction to whatever executives are to be far better to do so into international chairman.
National chairman, Mom.
I'm considering it because from what we've done in this party, and sometimes if I'm saying, guy, you know, I say, own documents.
And then the other documents by.
Say, hey, guy, you do. A few people in this party will match up to the kind of record and sacrifices we've done for this party. And don't you know, Master, opposition here. You compare the way you say, maybe we're hoping that we could do. You understand? But say a ban says son or say a ban there, I will consider. But
the national chairman position.
But say me
General Secretary is out of the question. But a national chairman is likely that you would contest.
General Secretary, my brain. Attend the day and also.
Now, why is the national chairman attending?
Oh, national chairman, dear. I don't have you provide guidance. There was a Mr. National Chairman, so.
Yes.
Why have I to say them? Besides organizer, me communicator. Because we did National Chairman, how we said the Ministry of Health issues they said the Jomama General State of the Nation. Okay. So Abba, Yatuabama. There are various sources of revenue streams.
Yes.
Now desire is me share sinking farm no. Now gas sinking farm $4,000. Now why today? Other revenue streams are no about within a very short time. Wait to bond holders. 7 billion. What treasury bills 67 billion Ghana cedis. January revenue kakakra was around 8 billion. Now Gigi we mono. The previous government schedules for repayment of these bond holders. No. Over to 3 installments that. Into another power.
Said there is no concrete proposal on the table. The Abenina yen komo na man for 80. One in komo amatene say at every point in time the national chairman of your party should be the leader of the party. At no point there was a flag bearer and our president be leader. Ojen Hussein.
That is what it is.
You think so?
That's what the constitution is.
That.
Say national chairman chairs all party. There's nothing like leader in our constitution.
Are you sure?
There's not constitution I'm create. You say there's nothing like
no that leader. There is no point flag bearer be leader of the party.
There's nothing like that.
And our president be leader of the party. So what happens?
Nothing happens. The chairman is the leader of the party. He chairs all party meetings.
At every point.
At every time. Whether you're president or your parliamentary candidate or your presidential candidate, we are in election.
Really? So why are some parties?
They have been saying you're more hoarding now, you're more hoarding now, but it's only a hoarding. As a cocoa, they can tell Butu for a very long time. He can tell there's nowhere in our party.
President of flag bearer, leader of the party.
NDC for no.
Oh, okay.
NDC for no. So many presidential candidates. Any president, national chairman, no, and
FM.
And we are socialist party, conservative party. Say, only parliament presidential candidates. Now, only president, then the chairman becomes
the leader.
Only presidential candidates, no only president.
President becomes the leader.
So we saying, say, I made the constitution for what? This is what the party. This is what the party constitution is. The national chairman, the identity they call national councillor, national chairman, the chair committee, president about here, vice president here, wait here, on the chair at all party meetings.
Oh, but that's strange.
That is what it is. So who is saying what? Do you amendment to do what?
To make the national chairman at every point the leader of the party.
He's always.
Really?
Nothing changes. He's always. What names are there?
No, I didn't. No, the Americans say. I've interviewed national executives. So say one of the proposals they are pushing.
We don't need any proposal. The national chairman is always the leader of the party. There's nothing in the constitution that says, say, you're presidential candidate
on the baby leader
and our president it's always there.
Wow,
that is why at all meetings it is a national chairman
who chairs.
That
there is no need for a proposal on that.
No. Yeah.
That's
this I said them a guy, there's nothing like leader in the constitution.
In the emphasis leader, the word leader ancient.
Leader. It
doesn't
change. Sometimes sycophancy couldn't go forward. Sycophancy. It's all sycophancy.
A simple
it's your friend. You're a flag bearer. He's a flag bearer of the party. Do you have to add anything to it? So I know so I am going to constitution. It's sycophancy, pure sycophancy. Sycophancy. Until Uzi National Africa say wine. There's nothing. The national chairman is always
the leader of the party. The other thing